Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the lead trader. It is February 1st, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir is still going up 49 cents. That's 3.57%, closed at 14.20. Post-market, we are up 1 cent. Let's look at what this looks like on the chart, because only looking at the numbers tells us nothing or not much. We have been between 11.94 and 14.42. This is a very small congestion zone right here. And now we are getting very close to 14.42. So we still have to break it along with this other downward resistance, which is pretty much at the same price at 14.42, to see a possible reversal, because right now we are still in a congestion zone, and the default pattern of a congestion zone is that the stock is doing this. So maybe this little move up is just temporary and the stock will continue to go sideways. So you can buy at any point in time. You could have bought here at 11.94 as a guess, but I don't like to guess. I like to know, and I will know, not for sure, but I will know with a greater probability that the stock will continue to go up when the stock breaks 14.42 with stochastic over 60. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. Yeah, 1 hour chart. So the first hour of the day, nice volume, bigger volume than for the rest of the day. And that pushed the stock up. And look at how perfect this is. The stock was just sitting there, boom, boom. Came down a little bit on the 5th hour and then came back up a little bit. So the stock is not decided yet. So people are not ready to buy at over 14.42 yet. As soon as they will want to buy at that price, we are going to join them and also buy at 14.42 and above. We analyze the sheeps and we follow the sheeps, and then we eat them. Okay, let's look at the indicators on the daily charts. Everything is still bearish, except do we have yes, we have a MACD crossover. So this is usually the first sign of a reversal. It does not always mean it's a reversal, but if there is a reversal that is to come, MACD will have to cross over at some point. So we already have that done. It's not a guarantee, but that's just the clue. That's just a nice indication. Stochastic is way more important in my opinion. Stochastic with the trend lines. So let's just wait and see what happens. Are we going to cross 14.42 or not? That's pretty easy. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link to use this great tool. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.